Effect of tilde on booleans, why true is -2 and false is -1 in Python. I found that true is -2 and false is -1. Why is this? W3 School says that inverts all the bits. Why isn't true is false and false is true? Reasoning attempts. My attempt to explain these. True is +1, and the bits of +1 are inverted. Plus is inverted 2. 1 in 2-digit binary is 01, so inverted bits, 10, E2. So result is -2. False is +0, plus is inverted 2, 0 in 2-digit binary is 00, all the bits inverted, 11, which is 3, it should be 1. Sources. This answer paints a more complicated picture. A list full of trues only contains 4 or 8 byte references to the one canonical true object. The ptables user's guide says, bool, boolean, true/false, types. Supported precisions, 8, default bits. These don't support the simplistic, and apparently wrong, reasoning above.
First of all, I'd use the not operator to invert Boolean values, not true equals false, and vice versa. Now if Booleans are stored as 8-bit integers, the following happens. True is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Hence true yields 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, which is -2 in 2's complement representation. False is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Hence false yields 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, which is -1.
Máximo, desnecessário.